Hi, science classes. So a couple things going on today. First thing, our bell ringer is actually going to be an assignment called Easy Quiz. It's to remind you that we need to turn in our work even when we do it on Google Classroom. I'm going to be really trying to enforce that here during second quarter. So we're going to start off with that. You're going to do it. It's 8 questions to fit our 8-point scale. But I mean, the questions are things like, what color is the sky? And honestly, looking up this morning, blue, gray, white clouds. I'm not going to be super strict. I just want you to make sure you know how to turn your work in. Um, that is going to be the first thing. That's going to be our bell ringer assignment in just a second. The second thing that we're going to be working on today, as I mentioned yesterday, we're going to be taking a look at a lab activity today and tomorrow. Because Thursday's schedule is going to be weird. We're just going to have first hour, second hour, and then an extended third period for Core Plus More time before you guys go home at 11:30. So for the rest of today, after we do that easy quiz, we're going to be taking a look at a lab activity. We're going to read through it together to start with, so we can make sure that any understandings are there, any questions that people need to clarify. And we'll take a look at question number 1 together as we do. And then I want every single person to go ahead and work on the assignment from there forward. At the end, there's some review questions, but my intention is to do those not on paper, but using a Kahoot or possibly a thing called Plickers. I kind of have to take a look at what Plickers is and see if I can figure it out. I think we'll probably do it on Kahoot just because I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I'm going to have a chance to set it up through Plickers just because I haven't used it before. But it will be a thing that I'm trying to bring in as opportunity presents itself. So those questions are listed at the end, but you don't need to answer them on your lab report because we're going to do that as a whole class activity in class, like I said, probably with a Kahoot. So that's what the plan is for that. So like I said, for starters, first thing today, go ahead and get out your computers, go and find that easy quiz. If you go into your assignments section on Google Classroom, it's actually going to be down in, what did I call it? Lab procedures. It's in lab procedures, which I know seems like a weird place for it, but it doesn't fit in waves. It's just kind of a classroom procedures type of thing. So I put it in lab procedures because we're a science class. So that's what's going on today. Happy Tuesday. I have confidence you should do well on that quiz and that we should be able to do well on this lab. Happy Tuesday.